This is DoDo quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Round 1. Guess the meme.
Bang.
I said I miss you!
I think you recognize this guy. This is true? It's my favorite Ishowspeed.
Bang.
I said I miss you!
Move on to round 2. Try to guess what this meme is.
Better, but I like the picture though.
Familiar voice, isn't it? But what is this meme? Fans drew pictures for Ishowspeed.
Better, but I like the picture though.
Round number 3. Be sure to subscribe and watch the video to the end. He was waiting for this meeting for a very long time. This is Ishowspeed met Ronaldo.
I love you, bro.
Guess the real photo. Real photo in the center. Round number 4. Are you ready?
Can catch this knife. Ready? I got it.
This is a really cool meme. I think you don't have a video. The guy tried to catch the knife.
Can catch this knife. Ready? I got it.
Little quiz. What is the Skibidi Twal episode? 35, 47, or 42? Write in the comments, do you like Skibidi Toilet? And this is episode 47 of Skibidi Toilet. And this is round number 5. Guess the meme. Some song, but what is this meme? This is Ishowspeed with Ronaldo. What is love?
Bang, bang, bang.
Round number 6. Guess the meme. Entire movies have already been made from this meme. This is Skibidi Toilet movie. Do you like? Would you like to meet it? Think carefully before answering. What would you do if you met a Skibidi Toilet? Next round. Are you ready? Did something fall or break? No, Ishowspeed jumped right on the table. How much money does Ishowspeed have?
It could be better, but I like the picture though.
3, 10, or $16 million? He's richer than he looks. Round 8. So, what do we have next?
Not to fear, little children. I will.
Try to guess now. I'm sure you haven't seen this meme. Get ready to laugh. Physics is stronger than magic.
Not to fear, little children. I will help.
Round number 9. Watch attentively. Why is he screaming? I think you've seen it and can guess. This is Ishowspeed and Grimace shake. Write in the comments which meme do you like more. Episode 30 or 49 of Skibidi Toilet? Let's keep going. Next round. Try to guess now. I definitely didn't see this meme. I am sure about that. This is slippery floor meme. Round number 11. Listen carefully. This melody, I think you recognized. It remains to guess which meme was remade. It's Skibidi Toilet Coffin Dance. Round number 12. Guess the meme.
Put dispensers.
And guess now? Who is this? This is Skibidi Toilet.
Put dispensers.
Now concentrate and find 4 differences in these pictures. It is here. Did you guess right? Round number 13. Ooh, this is my favorite meme. Who is this? This is another version of Skibidi Toilet.
Come here.
Round number 14. Guess next meme.
Be quiet, be
no.
Moxie.
How I love this meme and this guy. This is Ishowspeed and Robot MOXIE.
Be quiet, be Moxie.
Do you know what Ishowspeed real name is? Darren James, Darren Watkins, or Branson Watkins. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. His name is Darren Watkins. Now play a game. Choose your gift. Think carefully about what gift to choose. It can be terrible. Which box will you choose? Congratulations if you chose that box on the right. And what meme will we have in round 15? Listen.
Have a taste.
God, you can't do this to me!
And this is one of the most popular trends at the moment. I wonder what they are laughing at. This is Grimace Shake.
Have a taste.
God, you can't do this to me! No, I didn't do that!
Round number 16. What's the meme? Just wait and see this meme. This is women's baseball. Find the wrong Skibidi Toilet. Search carefully, there is not much time. It is here. Did you guess right? Round number 17. Guess next meme. This is a cool meme. There are many versions of this meme, but this one is my favorite. This is 1 2 buckle my shoe in 736 year. And finally, I left you a very funny video.
Turn down for what?
Put like, subscribe to the channel and watch the next video. Enjoy watching.